Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 15 of 20. I'm Louis, and this is the last day of week 3.
And I'm Claire. News exists to answer questions: who, what, where, when, why. Today you get the whole question kit.
And a promise. By the end of today, you'll know 3 different ways to ask any question in French, including one that needs no grammar whatsoever. Today's sentence, real new speed.
Qui est la nouvelle ministre et que veut-elle? Here it is, one more time, slowly. Qui est la nouvelle ministre et que veut-elle?
The question words first, who?
Qui,
Your turn, repeat after Claire.
qui. Careful with that one. It sounds exactly like the English word qui, yeah, but it means who, next, what, qui,
Out loud,
qui. Where, où,
your turn.
où.
And a gift for lovers of spelling. That word for where carries a little grave accent on its U, and it is the only word in the entire French language that uses that particular letter. One word, with its own private accent. It's on your sheet, wearing it proudly. 3 more for the kit. When, why, how. Claire,
Quand, pourquoi, comment.
your turn, all 3.
Quand, pourquoi, comment.
Who are we asking about? The new minister. Day 1 gave us a masculine new for the president. Today's minister is a woman, so the adjective puts on its feminine dress. Claire,
La nouvelle ministre.
your turn, repeat after Claire.
La nouvelle ministre. And the full first question, who is the new minister? Qui est la nouvelle ministre?
The whole question, out loud.
Qui est la nouvelle ministre?
Now, today's quirk, and it's a generous one. French gives you 3 ways to ask any question. Claire, give me one plain statement. She is a minister.
Elle est ministre.
Way number 1, change nothing. Say the statement and raise your voice at the end. That's it, that's the entire grammar.
Elle est ministre.
Way number 2, bolt a little 3-word key onto the front. It literally means, is it that? And it turns anything that follows into a question.
Est-ce qu'elle est ministre?
And way number 3, the elegant one, the one the news wears. Flip the verb and the pronoun and glue them together with a hyphen.
Est-elle ministre? Same question. 3 outfits: street clothes, the universal key, and the tuxedo. The news loves the tuxedo, and the second half of today's sentence is wearing it.
Because the second question is the one all political journalism boils down to, what does she want? The verb to want. Claire, the 3 forms that matter.
Je veux, tu veux, elle veut. I want, you want, she wants. And here's a French classic. All 3 sound exactly the same. The spelling shuffles its silent letters at the end, and your mouth does one single thing. Day 1 silent letters, still running the show.
Your turn, say, she wants. Repeat after Claire.
Elle veut. Elle veut. And the question, what does she want? In the tuxedo, flip the verb and the pronoun. Add the hyphen, 3 tiny syllables. Que veut-elle?
Your turn, ask it like a journalist.
Que veut-elle? One last delight for readers. When French writes a question down, it slips a small space in before the question mark. The sentence takes a little breath before it asks. You'll see it all over your lesson sheet. That's not a typo, that's France.
From the top. Claire, slowly.
Qui est la nouvelle ministre? Et que veut-elle?
Who is the new minister and what does she want? Real speed.
Qui est la nouvelle ministre et que veut-elle? Your turn, both questions, out loud. Repeat after me. Qui est la nouvelle ministre et que veut-elle? Très bien.
And that's week 3, done. The question kit. Who, what, where, when, why, how, the 3 ways to ask, and the verb of wanting.
Your lesson sheet at linguawire.com/day1 has the full kit, the want verb table, and the 3 outfits drill, plus the 10-minute interactive homework. And this weekend, revise the week 3 sheets, half an hour, and the verbs are yours for good.
Because next week is the final week, the one everything has been building towards. How French news talks about the past, the future, and the headlines themselves. By Friday, you'll follow a real French news bulletin.
Lundi, le président a déclaré hier, la guerre est finie.
Monday, the president said yesterday, the war is over. The past tense arrives. See you then.
À lundi,